Hello guys, good morning. All right, today early morning I show you the peak, and this is the peak water changing. The one guys is already here changing the water. How to this one day for another one day every day. That is the water. धेरै राम्रो सफा गर्नुहुँदो रहेछ नि तपाईले त म त यतिको गर्दिनँ नि भाइ मेरो बानी the hair top the guys was there now all clean finish. I show you the you see here, and after here spread up a new water. See, it's coming the peak, and here swimming. See, you can see the peak. After this slowly the water is filling here, and after flow the water here the guys see very dirty here, changing the water. So critical work. Very dirty. See water here passing here. Here peak, a gentleman. Oh. The early morning. Now 8 a.m. It's from Sankasaba. This guy Sankasaba, Nepal. यतापट्टि मात्रै बगाएपछि भइहाल्थ्यो नि भाइ तपाईँले त पुरा वरपरै दिनु रहेछ यसो नभन्नु दाइलाई यार भिडियो बनाउनु पाउँदैन नेपालमा गएर यसो याद आउँछ हजुर put apron because no apron here with whole body. It is many here. The thumb is so see smelling the water. And another this is the pipe. After that, like put block that water for tap. And this open, the water is go down. See, it is ready for a new water. All new water. He needs to have swing held up, bathing of cup. Because this water no put here, this is the very dirty. That's why all right. Now I show you peak. Sitting here. Hey. Here water. Here pushing nipple. Guys, watching that. Why now open the water? See, I show you. This open, the water is passed away from foot. Dirty water. The guys here right now. After that, close the here. The water is passed.
1
rules of whole district. Here is the 28 class to 28 room total. Here. Thank you so much watching the video. Please like and share. I show you another vlog for pig, only pig. Okay guys, bye bye.